Do you have a Samsung phone? Know the solution before it happens. Bypass phone's Google account lock for free. Connect the phone to the computer, install the drivers, then run the FRP tool. After the browser opens, we enter the VNROM website. Click one of the Galaxy Store links to open the app. If you see an update message, update the app. Now, click the Download App button and enter your account information. Download the Service Manager app, then run it. With this application, you can access the phone settings section. In the Phones Apps section, as per instructions, we clear data and force stop the desired applications. Android setup. Google Play services. Samsung Setup Wizard. Now, we re-enter the Galaxy Store app, download Activity Manager, then open it. Follow the steps according to the video. Power off your phone. Then put it into recovery mode and wipe it. After the hard reset, reconnect the phone to the internet and skip the initial setup steps.